Hi, I'm Lizzie, and today I'm with a very special friend of Chantecaille.
Hello Lizzie, my name is Clémence von Mueffling and I am the founder of the online magazine Beauty and Wellbeing. I also recently published a book with my mother and grandmother who worked as beauty editors for French Vogue.
How do you usually like your complexion to look?
I usually like the complexion to have that sort of like slightly dewy kind of finish.
Great, so I'm going to start with our Real Skin Plus. What I love about this face and eye stick is that you can put it anywhere where you feel like you need coverage. So I'm going to start a little bit under the eyes, look up.
So would that be then like a great product for me to use when in the morning I'm like rushing out of the house, I'm going to work and dropping off kids to school?
Yeah, absolutely. You can use it under the eyes, around the face, and you can just use your fingertips. And of course you have a beautiful legacy in your family of French beauty editors and just experts. What does that mean to you, French beauty? And especially now coming to New York, the two different places, I'm sure the influence has changed a little bit, or is a little different.
I think something that is very French is, you kind of have to make the most of what you were born with and age gracefully. At the end of the day, it's better to look your age than no age at all. So I think that's a very French way to look at beauty in general.
So you mentioned that you like a little bit of a glow and you like a little bit of that I just woke up glowy and natural. So something I'm going to use is a little bit of a liquid Lumière. So I'll just put this on the high points of the face here.
It's beautiful. It seems it has almost like a light shimmer.
Yes. So this is our Hummingbird Eye Quartet in the warm.
So what are the different ways that you can use this palette? I see it has 4 beautiful colors.
I like to either use 1 to 2, but I really love personally layering all 4 shades. It mimics the way a hummingbird's wings sort of glint in the sunlight. I'm gonna add the second shade just to your crease, just to give a little definition. One of my favorite tips for applying liner, especially if you want it to look a little bit more subtle or you don't say have the steadiest hand, is using a darker shadow, kind of like this one here, and picking it up with an eyeliner brush and just applying it along the lash line.
That's a really good tip because I think most of us don't always have a steady hand.
Yes.
Or maybe one side you can do very well and maybe the other side it's just
not so easy. Yes. I'm going to be using our new Perfect Blur finishing powder. I really love this powder because it has a soft filter-like effect to the skin and it instantly blurs the appearance of pores and lets that beautiful skin come through. Especially with this brush that I'm using.
The brush is like almost like a massage.
Before I get into the lips though, I do want to put on a little bit of color on your cheeks.
I love this one.
Yes.
That's my favorite. I feel that when I put this color on my cheeks, it just adds that touch of sophistication. I just feel that I'm ready for my day.
So I'd like to of course finish with a lip color. What sort of lip colors do you like to wear every single day?
Something that I can wear very easily throughout the day, like maybe like a sort of a dusty rose or something I call tea rose.
Oh yes, the lip cheek, yes.
Yes.
So that's perfect. We have 4 different limited edition hummingbird lip cheeks, but today I chose Honeysuckle. It falls right under that category.
Nice.
Yes.
This is beautiful.
Yes.
That's a perfect color.
Yes, it's nice and sheer because again, it's that lip cheek formula which feels like a balm and is very glossy. I'll just apply this directly on.
Such a beautiful color.
Yes.
So, Lizzie, I haven't actually asked you yet, how is this collection helping the Amazon?
So with the sale of each limited edition lip cheek, we support Amazon Conservation Team and their efforts to preserve the hummingbird's rainforest habitat.
How inspiring.
Take a look at your finished look.
Thank you. Wow, the result is so amazing. I love that it has that dewy finish. I think it makes the skin look so young and just like so natural. Like you can really go like for the whole day, like even...
Right.
Absolutely, you did really amazing.
Thank you.
Thank you.